Okay. Good evening, guys. Good evening. Welcome back to Logical Maths and Tricks. Now we have done 3 to 4 sums of arithmetic progression. In this video, I will solve the example of arithmetic progression. Okay. So without not wasting the time, we will begin with the sum. The sum is on the board. What is the question? Find the length of such 30 spiral shaped figure. It 30 which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 and 13. We have to find the length of such 30 spiral figure. Okay, where P1 is the first semi-perimeter, P2 second perimeter, P3 third semi-perimeter. This semi-perimeter means over here means a circumference. These are circumference. So what is the value of radius is given? 0.5. 0.5 is nothing but half. 0.5 is nothing but half centimeter. And the value of pi is given 22/7. So we will put the value of pi 22/7 at the end of the solution. Whenever there is a final solution, at that time we will put the value of pi as 22/7. Till then we will consider pi as pi only. We will not take the value of pi as 22/7. At the final answer, we will take the value of pi as 22/7. So let's begin the sum. So what is the value of A? What is the value of A over here? Okay. So what is the value of A? So first we will find P1. What is P1? P1 means nothing but semi-perimeter. 2 pi r upon 2. 2 cut pi. What is the value of r? 1 upon 2. Therefore P1 is equal to pi upon 2. Right? Similarly, P2. Again the formula is 2 pi r upon 2. 2 pi. What is the value of r over here? The value of r is 1. The value of r is 1. The value of radius is 1. Multiply by 1 upon 2. 2 cut, the value is pi. Yes? P2. The P2 value is pi. What is the value of P3? 2 pi r upon 2. 2 get cancelled. Pi into, what is the value of r? Third, 1.5. So it is 1.5 means 3 upon 2. 1.5 can be written as 3 by 2. Right? 1.5 means what? 3 by 2. So the value of pi is 3 upon 2 pi. Okay? Okay. So this is the value for P, P1, P2, P3. Therefore, the value of A is, A means first term. A is pi by 2. And what is the difference in this? The difference is again pi by 2. D is equal to again pi by 2. What is the D? D means what? Common difference. D means common difference. The value of A is pi by 2. Here, the value of here it is pi by 2. Here value. And what is the difference between this? Pi by 2. Each radius is increasing by pi by 2. Okay. So what we have to find? Find the length of such 13 shaped figure. We have to find all the length. 1, 2, 3. We have to add all 13 half spiral. How many? 13 half spiral. So which formula you will use? we'll use the formula for sum. Okay. So sum, what is the formula? Sn is equal to n upon 2a plus n minus 1 d. What is value of n? The value of n is 13. Why 13? Because in the question it is said of 13 spiral. Okay. So as 13 is equal to 13 upon 2a. What is the value of a? What is the value of a? Pi by 2 plus n 13 minus 1. What is the value of d? What is the value of d? Pi by 2. 13 upon 2. These 2 and these 2 get cancelled. Remaining is pi plus 13 minus 1. 12 pi by 2. Right? 12 pi by 2 means what? 12 multiplied by pi by 2. One time. This will go 6 times. So what is the answer of as 13? As 13. 13 by 2 bracket pi plus 6 pi. Pi plus 6 pi. The remaining is 13 upon 2 into 1 pi plus 6 pi is nothing but 7 pi. Right? As 13. So what will the value of as 13? Now you have to put the value of pi as 13 upon 2 into 7 into pi. For value of pi we have to take the value as 22 upon 7. क्या value pi का value क्या लेना है? 22 upon 7 cut. ये 1 time, this will go 11 times. Therefore value of as 13 is 13 into 11. Now 13 into 11 is 143. The value of 143 centimeter. Therefore, the length of such 13 spiral shaped figure is 143 centimeter. Okay. So you have to practice such type of sum also. If I said instead of question homework for you, formed by 13 spiral. So what take as a homework? For this take as a homework as 15 formed by 15 such spiral. Homework is for 15 such spiral. Okay? Okay, please like and subscribe my channel. Okay, keep watching Rojika Maths and Tricks. Enjoy with Rojika Maths and Tricks. Okay. Question number 2. Mr. Arnav saves some amount every month. He saves some amount every month. In the first 3 months, he saves rupees 200, rupees 250 and rupees 300 respectively. In which month he will save rupees 1000? In which month he will save rupees 1000? And sum of his total saving for these months. Okay, for these months. So what will the saving he is saving at the end of this saving? Okay. So first here what is the value of A? What is the value of A? A is rupees 200. Right. What is the value of D? What is T1? Here T1 is, this is your T1, this is your T2, this is your T3. So D is equal to T2 minus T1. D is equal to 250 minus 200 is equal to, therefore value of D is 50. The value of D is 50. A value 200. So in which month he will save rupees 1000? What is this? This is your TN. What? In which month he will save rupees 1000? When he will save rupees 1000? In which month he will save rupees 1000? Therefore, your n is not given to us. Value of n is not given. But Tn is equal to a plus bracket n minus 1 d. This is the formula for Tn. This is the formula for Tn. Therefore, Tn. What is the value of Tn? What is the value of Tn? 1000. Right? 1000 plus value of A. Value of A. What is the value of A? 200. N minus 1. What is the value of D? 50. Now you have to solve the sum. ये 200 इक्वल टू के इधर आगे क्या होगा? 1000 minus 200 is equal to n minus 150. Right? 1000 minus 200. 1000 minus 200 is 800 is equal to n minus 150. अभी 50 क्या है? इधर क्या है? इसके बीच में कोई साइन नहीं. इसका मतलब क्या है? यहाँ पे मल्टीप्लीकेशन है. What is the sign between here? n minus 1 bracket multiply by 50. मल्टीप्लाई करके इक्वल टू के उधर जाएगा तो क्या होगा? डिवाइड. क्या होगा? डिवाइड. ओके. तो 800 डिवाइड बाय 50 इज इक्वल टू n माइनस 1. ये 50 के में 1 टाइम, ये 1 0 0 का, ये 5 के में 1 टाइम और ये 16 टाइम. देयरफॉर 16 इज इक्वल टू n माइनस 1. देयरफॉर n, ये माइनस 1 इधर आएगा तो क्या होगा? प्लस 16 plus 1. Therefore, value of n is 17. The value of n is 17. Therefore, his saving in the month of 17th month will be 1000. है ना? So, what is the sum of all the saving from first month to 17th month? It is asked question. So, what you have to do? Which formula you will apply? S n is equal to n upon 2 bracket 2a plus n minus 1 d. This is the formula for sum of the saving. So S, now value of n is 17. Value of n is 17. 17 upon 2. 2 multiply. What is value of A? Value of A is 200. Value of n 17 minus 1. D value 50 is equal to 17 upon 2. 2 into 200. What is the value of 2 into 200? Is 400 plus 17 minus 1, 16 into 50. First solve this bracket as per the Bodmer's rule. You have to solve the bracket first. 17 upon 2. 400 plus 16 into 50 is nothing but 800. What is the value? 16 into 50? 800. 17 upon 2. 40, 400 plus कितना होगा? 1200. Right? ये 2 1 टाइम और ये 600 टाइम. तो 17 into 600. 17 6 you have to just multiply 17 multiply by 6. 17 6 102. 102 or remaining 20. So the total saving for the last 17 month is rupees 10,200. Okay. So you got the value of A as 200, D as 50. First you have to find the value of n. First you have to find the value of n. You will get n as 17, and after that you have to solve the value of Sn. Okay? Okay. Next question. In the year 2010, in the village there were 4,000 people. How many people were in the year 2010? 4,000 people who were literate. जो literate means what? Educated. Every year the number of literate people increased by 400. हर साल कितने लोग बढ़ रहे? Educated 400. How many people will be literate in the year 2020? तो 2020 years में up to 2020, how many numbers of people will be illiterate? Okay. From here, the value of A. A is how many people is starting? 4,000. This is the value of A. A is 4,000. D. How many people are increasing every year? Literate people by 400. So this is the value of D. D is 400. Okay. N. What is the value of N over here? And from 2010 to 2020, there are 11 years, right? Therefore, value of N is equal to 11. From 2010 to 2020, there are how many years? 11. Example, कैसा? 210, 11, 12, and so on up to 2020. So value of N is 11. So which formula you use? Tn is equal to A plus bracket N minus 1 D. T11 is equal to A. What is the value of A? 4,000 plus N value 11 minus 1. What is the value of D? D का value कितना है? 400. 4,000 plus 11 minus 1, 10 into 400. Which are formula you apply? Bond-Bus rule. Bond-Bus rule means what? You have to multiply first. 10 into 400 is 4,000. Okay? So 4,000 plus 4,000 is 8,000. Okay? Therefore, T11. Therefore, in which year? In 2020, there will be how many people? 8,000 people literate. Okay? Okay. Next question. Exercise 3. In year 2015, Mrs. Sheikh got her job with salary of rupees 1,80,000 per annum. Per annum is what? Annually. एक साल का, right? Her employer agreed to give rupees 10,000 per year as increment. हर साल में कितना increment देगा उसको? Rupees 10,000 per year as an increment. Then, in how many years will her annual salary will be rupees 2,50,000? तो उसका कौन सी ईयर में कितने साल के बाद उसका सैलरी 2,50,000 होगा, राइट? स्टार्टिंग में उसका सैलरी कितना है? 1,80,000. हर साल कितना इंक्रीमेंट हो रहा है? रुपीज 10,000. तो आफ्टर हाउ मेनी ईयर्स, कितने सालों के बाद उसका सैलरी 2,50,000 होगा? ओके ओके. सो हियर व्हाट इज द वैल्यू ऑफ ए? What is the value of A? A means what? Her initial salary. This is value of A. What is value of A? Rupees 1,80,000. D. D means what is the increment? What is her increment? What is the increment? This is D. 10,000 per year. The value of D is 10,000. What is the value of N? We have to find. What is the value of Tn? Tn means what? In which year her salary will be 2,50,000. This is your Tn, right? So Tn is 2,50,000. Now just apply the formula, general term. Tn is equal to a plus n minus 1 d. What is the value of Tn? 2,50,000. What is the value of A? 1,80,000. And we have to find what is the value of D is 10,000. Here 2,50,000 minus 1,80,000. 2,50,000 minus 1,80,000 है ना. 1,80,000 इक्वल टू इधर आएगा, ये इक्वल टू इस तरफ आएगा, क्या होगा माइनस, इक्वल टू इधर क्या बचेगा n minus 1 multiply by 1000. What is the value of 2,50,000 minus 1,80,000? It is 70,000, right? ये मल्टीप्लाई इधर आएगा तो क्या होगा, वो डिवाइड n minus 1 अपॉन ये वैल्यू मल्टीप्लाई इधर आएगा तो क्या होगा, वो डिवाइड, राइट? तो क्या होगा, ये जीरो, दिस 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 जीरो. Therefore 7 is equal to n minus 1, right? Therefore n minus 1 is equal to 7. Therefore n is equal to 7 plus 1. Therefore n is equal to 8. What is this? 8 years. After 8 years, her salary will rupees 2,50,000. Okay, take a screenshot of this. Okay, next question. Exercise 2, solve example. Ajay Sharma repays the borrowed amount of rupees 3,25,000. Here it is not mentioned whether it is with interest or principal amount. So it is including interest only. Okay, you don't have to think whether it is a only loan amount or principal amount or with interest. You don't have to think. Okay, what is the amount given? 3,25,000. To keep this as 3,25,000 only. In the first month, है ना? And then he decreases the, stop करो. Okay, here the question was missing. Ajay Sharma repays the borrowed amount of rupees 3,25,000 by paying rupees 30,500 in the first month and then decreases the payment by rupees 1,500 every month. How many long will it take to clear the loan amount? ये लोन क्लियर करने के लिए इसको कितना मंथ्स लगेगा? ओके, तो here वैल्यू ऑफ SN कितना दिया है? 3,25,000. N is not known to us. N ही फाइंड करने का हम लोगों को. A, what is the value of A? Rupees 30,500. What is the value of D? Is decreasing by rupees? Decreasing means D is minus 1,500. Minus 1,500. How many long will it take to clear this loan amount? So what is the formula for SN? N upon 2, 2A plus N minus 1 D. What is the value of SN? 3,25,000. N upon 2. 2. What is the value of A? 30,500 plus N minus 1. What is the value of D? Minus 1,500. So multiply by N upon 2. 2 into 30,500 plus मल्टीप्लाई बाय माइनस 1,500 बाय n. ये n इसको n से मल्टीप्लाई करने का, इधर क्या वैल्यू होगा? माइनस 1,500 n माइनस टू माइनस ये प्लस 1,500. अंडरस्टूड? माइनस 1500 को किससे मल्टीप्लाई करने का, पहला n से करेंगे, तो माइनस n का क्या होगा ये, प्लस n का क्या होगा माइनस, साइन चेंज हो जाएगा, माइनस इंटू माइनस प्लस, माइनस इंटू प्लस माइनस। नाउ मल्टीप्लाई थ्रू आउट बाय n, क्या करेंगे n अपॉन 2 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, 2 इंटू 30 अपॉन 500, राइट, मल्टीप्लाई बाय n अपॉन 2 माइनस 150 इंटू n अपॉन 2 प्लस 1500 इंटू n अपॉन 2। ये क्या किया हम लोग ने, ये बाहर का वैल्यू n अपॉन 2 थ्रू आउट से मल्टीप्लाई किया है। व्हाट वी हैव डन, मल्टीप्लाई दिस टू विल गेट कैंसल, ये 2 के टेबल में 1 टाइम और ये कितना आ जाएगा 750, ये 1 टाइम और ये 750, इधर क्या बचेगा 30,500 n माइनस 750 n इंटू n स्क्वायर प्लस 750 n। What is the value of Sn? 3,25,000, 3,25,000, 3,25,000. Okay. Now 30,500 n plus 750 n. You have to add the like terms. क्या करने का है, like term arrange करने का है। So 30,500 plus 750 n, तो कितना होगा 31,250 n माइनस 750 n स्क्वायर, ये क्या होगा n स्क्वायर। ओके, इधर क्या होगा 325,000। ओके, अरेंज, इसको अरेंज क्या करने का, इन क्वाड्रेटिक फॉर्म, कौन से फॉर्म में करेंगे इसको, क्वाड्रेटिक फॉर्म। तो क्या होगा ये वैल्यू इधर आएगा तो क्या होगा प्लस, ये वैल्यू इधर आएगा तो क्या होगा माइनस, और इसको एज इट इज रखेंगे तो क्या होगा ये 750 n स्क्वायर, माइनस इधर आया क्या हुआ प्लस, ये इधर आएगा तो क्या होगा माइनस 31,250 n प्लस 3,25,000। ओके, 3,25,000 is equal to 0. Okay, I will drop this question now. Okay. Okay. Now you have to, what we will do, divide throughout by, divide throughout by 250, किससे डिवाइड करेंगे 250 से डिवाइड करें, तो 250 इसको डिवाइड कर, इधर क्या होगा, क्या होगा 750 डिवाइडेड बाय 250, कितना n होगा 3n स्क्वायर माइनस 31250 डिवाइड बाय 250, देखो क्या होगा 31250 डिवाइड बाय 250, ये जीरो कट, 5 के टेबल में कितना टाइम जाएगा 5 टाइम, 5 के टेबल में कितना टाइम जाएगा ये 6, 1 बचा 2 5, और 5 के टेबल 1 टाइम और ये कितना जाएगा 125, तो कितना होगा 125 n प्लस, अब ये 3250 डिवाइडेड बाय 250, ये जीरो कट, 5 के टेबल में ये 25 टाइम, 5 के टेबल में कितने टाइम जाएगा अभी ये 332 6 टाइम, राइट 32 बचा 2, ये 5 टाइम 25, और ये हाउ मेनी जीरो 2 zeros, राइट, प्लस 6,500 इज इक्वल टू 0। अंडरस्टूड? देखो ये 0 और ये 0 कट हो गया। 25 के टेबल में, 5 के टेबल में ये 5 टाइम जाएगा। 5 के टेबल में कितना जाएगा? 32। 6 टाइम बचा कितना? 2। ये 25 5 टाइम्स। These 2 0 are remaining. So these 2 are we will keep as it is equal to 0. Now factor this 6500. If in the table of 5 से करेंगे तो क्या होगा? ये 1300। अगेन 13 से करो तो कितना आएगा? ये 100। 5 से करो कितना आएगा? ये 20। 5 से करो कितना आएगा? 4। 2 से करो 2। सो व्हाट विल बी आवर आंसर? बीच में हम लोग क्या आना चाहिए? -125। तो 13 5 कितना होगा? 65। 5 5 25। 25 2 50। 50 2 100। हो रहे फैक्टर्स? नहीं आ रहे। 5 13 13 टेबल 100 5 टेबल में 20। Stop. Okay, we have to further do the calculation. 5 time in table of 5, 1 time it will go in the table 1300. So equation will be 1300. ये 3 को किससे मल्टीप्लाई करना पड़ेगा? 1300 से। पहले इसका फैक्टर निकालो। 13 के टेबल में 100 टाइम, 5 के टेबल में 20 टाइम, 5 के टेबल में 4 टाइम, 2 के टेबल में 2 टाइम, 2 के टेबल में 1 टाइम, और ये 3 एज इट इज, राइट? 3 का फैक्टर क्या होगा? 3 1 जा। सो व्हाट इज द फैक्टर? 13 5 जा 65, 5 2 जा 10, 10 2 जा 20, 23 जा 60। तो 65 और 60 कितना होगा? 3n स्क्वायर माइनस 65n। So first we will take 60n minus 65n plus 1300 is equal to 0. Okay, minus 60 minus 65 is minus 125. Now we have to split the middle टर्म स्प्लिट कर दिया। क्या होगा अपना? कॉमन क्या है? 3n माइनस 20। 3 के टेबल में कितना होगा? ये 20 टाइम माइनस 65। तो कितने क्वेश्चन टेबल में आएगा ये? 65 ब्रैकेट n माइनस हाउ मेनी टाइम इट विल गो? 20 टाइम। ये दोनों ब्रैकेट सेम आना चाहिए, n माइनस 20 और इधर n माइनस 20। तो n माइनस 20 इधर क्या होगा? 3n माइनस 65 इक्वल टू 0. ओके, देयरफॉर फर्स्ट n माइनस 20 इज इक्वल टू 0, राइट? देयरफॉर n इज इक्वल टू 20. सेकेंड पार्ट क्या है? 3n माइनस 65 इज इक्वल टू 0. 3n is equal to 65. n is equal to 65 upon 3. ये वैल्यू क्या होगी? ये डिस्कार्ड. This value will be discarded because here in arithmetic progression n is nothing but natural number, and natural number cannot be in fraction. Hence value of n 64 upon 3 is discarded. Therefore n is equal to 20. Therefore n is 20 means 20 months. So it will take 20 months for him to repay the loan of rupees 3,25,000. How many months? N is equal to 20 months. So how many months he will take to repay the loan? He will repay the loans in 20 months. Okay. Bye. See you. Enjoy watching Rosecal Maths and Trick channel. Ask your doubt session in comment box. Please like and subscribe my channel. Okay. Thank you.